I got one sponsorship offer from one company, recently. uh, and the product wasn't that bad, but it kind of felt like it was startup or something. Product was brand new, something which I have never seen. It was something which you like. I mean, not let's go into details because I end up not working with them. The reason was the product cost like couple of tens of dollars, tens of dollars. Not gonna name the price, but the thing is that uh, the deal was that like the percentage, like if you buy something, I got percentage of it. But I was like, I cannot afford that product. I can't afford it. And the chances of you being in a similar, level as if I am is pretty high. Like expecting that you are richer than I am, something which I don't want to do. Because the reason why you are here is because you find someone who is like close to you, find someone who's like you, right? And this is what I did. I rejected that offer because I believe that, in order to make money for my own, I got 10 percentage cut. I got 10% of every sale which happens through my, like the link which they are gonna give me. And, like in order to me make good amount of money, you need to spend good amount of money. And this is not something which I wanted to do. Like squeezing you to make money me first. Like not first, I mean, these people are gonna make a lot more money. Like 90% of this money which you're gonna get squeezed, these guys are gonna get that. But if you're gonna buy something for $50 or $100, I'm gonna get like 5 or 10 of them, $5 or $10. So in order to me to make like good amount of money, maybe $50 or $100 at least, you guys need to spend about $1,000, on that product. And I was like, wait a minute, I don't I don't believe that these guys which are watching these kind of videos have this much money. These guys don't have this much money. These guys just don't have that. They're barely making any money and just learning how to make money and just like, little baby steps. And I like, even, first of all, even if I'm gonna do something similar, first, I'm not gonna get paid like good. But second, like asking you this much money, because I'm the one who's advertising that. I'm like, I can't do that. These guys just don't have this much money. First of all, even if you're gonna become richer in the future, and like this video in 1-2 years later could have generated me a lot more money than in 1 month, you need to understand one thing is that I don't want that. Someone came home. May Allah bless you, help you to achieve success in this and hereafter. Peace.